Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing, or as we know it, unbagging. So, this right here is from Trick or Treat Studios, and this is from Return of the Living Dead. They're back from the grave and ready to party! So Trick or Treat Studios makes the officially licensed items. You can see the eye holes are here. Nice paint on the eyes. A little bit of hair on him. Slit across the back. Thicker latex. Usually there's some kind of maker's mark on the mask, but I am not seeing it anywhere. On here, 2020 Living Dead Media, all rights reserved. But still, usually there is some kind of stamp in the mask. So let's give it a test drive. Brains! Brains! Brains. Brains. So, this is it. I kind of felt like he was supposed to have a little bit more hair. But I like it. It was one of my favorite zombies from Return of the Living Dead. So, if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching as always. EG Scary out. Brains. Brains. Send more paramedics.